Alrighty, good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to not get completely screwed over when you're trying to play your state scratcher lottery system. So, first thing you do is go to your state's lottery website. So, I live in the state of Washington, so I'm going to go to Washington State Lottery. And it's going to bring you to a screen similar to this. And then you can just go to the scratcher page. It's usually going to be up at the top. So we're going to click here. And it's going to usually have all the types of games that they have in your state. So you're going to have like the top games. That's usually the ones that they're going to try to be pushing right now. So these are going to be your newest games. But you're going to have your $1 games, your $2 games, your $3 games, 5, 10, 20, 30, and so on. Anyway, so when you go to your game of choice, so we'll go to a newer game. We'll start with Winner Winner Chicken Dinner. So this is a newer game, so you can see how it has all the different prize amounts that you can win. So you can look and see everything that you can kind of get. You know, you can get $1,000 to a $1 win amount. And this is where it's really crucial to kind of look up the type of winnings that are still available, which is the prize remaining. And this shows you the prize claimed. So we can see that there are still $1,000 prize amounts available. So this shows that the $1,000 rewards are still available so that this scratcher is still a viable option to get. And then it'll also kind of show you how to play the game. You can play around with it. Usually you can click and kind of see where you're going to scratch, things like that. You can unscratch it, you can scratch it, you can reset it, things like that. And then it kind of shows you the odds. So you have a 1 and 3.7 chance of getting something. So basically you have a 1 and 3.7 chance of making your money back, at least, or something more. And then to kind of get your odds at like these types of prizes, you can kind of just gauge the prizes remaining. You can grab the tickets printed and see the prizes remaining and divide them. So if we take 2,711 and divide it by 4, so we take this number and divide it by the prizes remaining, we'll get 677,900. So you basically have a 1 and 677,900 chance of winning $1,000 with your $1 prize. And you can kind of go so on. So, you know, if you take this number and divide it by that, that will show you the odds of this. And you can do this for all of them. So if we just, you know, so these are the newer games. So if we just go to a random one like this, you see there's no $2 million prizes remaining. So this one you might not want to play anymore. You want to try to go for, let's see if this one, see this one has a lot of the grand prizes still available. So hopefully this helps.